Additive manufacturing, better known as 3D printing, is an exciting new alternative to traditional manufacturing. 3D printing uses digital files to create products and prototypes on demand with minimal waste. 3D printing creates objects layer by layer, eliminating the need for molds and limiting excess material waste. This process saves resources and is far more time and cost efficient than traditional alternatives, allowing manufacturers to produce on a larger scope and scale than ever before. Highly customizable 3D printing is transforming the way industries innovate and manufacture.
3D printing automates manufacturing processes by having precise, adaptable machines make prototypes and final products. This introduces cost savings over traditional manufacturing, especially for low volume and customizable designs. 3D printing democratizes data through increasingly easy-to-use software, which companies use to glean insights in product design and supply chain management. 3D printing reduces user friction by allowing for just-in-time manufacturing, especially for niche customers with high-quality standards. This cuts inventory costs, allows companies to rapidly respond to changes in demand, and bolsters customer satisfaction.
3D printing is an important driver of digital transformation as it aligns with IT uplifts by eliminating the need for traditional tools. 3D printing transformed the healthcare industry by increasing customization for patient-specific medical devices compared to traditional methods of production, fostering innovation and new ventures by allowing collaboration through new integration with AI and cloud computing, creating more advanced applications for organizations. 3D printing is reshaping prominent industries by offering agile and customizable solutions.
3D printing is widely used across industries. A Protolabs survey shows that 67% of users apply it for prototyping, while 21% use it for end-use parts. GE Aviation leveraged 3D printing to consolidate a fuel nozzle, reducing weight by 25%, cutting costs by 75%. This improves performance and allows complex, custom designs that were previously impossible. This real-world application shows how 3D printing creates value through efficiency gains and enables digital transformation by reshaping manufacturing.
3D printing will revolutionize patient care and medical practices in specific healthcare sectors. For example, the potential to fabricate prosthetics to make them more mechanically viable, or growth within bioprinting that can help during complex surgeries. Within construction, 3D printing can construct homes and buildings from scratch, further promoting innovation in architectural designs and material use. Finally, with the growth of AI, 3D printing will move to a more automated print tuning by leveraging computer visions and sensors.